Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Car Artistry. Today we are diving into a comparison of two incredible motorcycles from Kawasaki, the Ninja ZX-10R and the Ninja 1000 SX. Both of these superbikes offer thrilling performance, but they cater to different type of riders. Let's break down what makes each one unique and help you decide which one might be right for you. First up, let's give a quick review. The Ninja ZX-10R is Kawasaki flagship superbike designed with track performance in mind. It's known for its aggressive styling, high performance component and advanced electronics. On the other hand, the Ninja 1000 SX is more of a sport touring machine. It combines sporty performance with comfort and versatility, making it ideal for both spirited ride and longer journey. Starting with the engine, the Ninja ZX-10R is powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine, delivering around 200 horsepower. This engine is built for high revving performance and track day thrills with features like quick shifter, traction control and multiple riding modes. The 2024 model continues to refine its already impressive performance. In contrast, the Ninja 1000 SX features a 1043cc inline-4 engine. While it's slightly less powerful with around 140 horsepower, it offers a broader, more usable power band. This makes it more suitable for everyday riding and long distance comfort without sacrificing too much on sporty performance. When it comes to handling, the ZX-10R is all about precision and agility. Its light-fit chassis, fully adjustable suspension and aggressive geometry make it a formidable machine on the track. It's built for riders who crave sharp handling and track-ready performance. The Ninja 1000 SX, meanwhile, focuses on providing a balanced ride. Its suspension is designed to offer a mix of sporty handling and comfort, making it more forgiving no longer rides and varying road conditions. It also equipped with features like a comfortable seat and adjustable windscreen to enhance touring comfort. Both bikes comes with a suite of modern electronics. The ZX-10R features advanced systems like electronic throttle valves, cornering ABS and a sophisticated traction control system. It's designed to provide maximum control and stability, especially on the track. The Ninja 1000 SX also boasts impressive technology, including a comprehensive TFT display, smartphone connectivity and adjustable riding modes. It's equipped for both performance and convenience, making it a great choice for riders who want a high-tech comfortable ride. Comfort is where the Ninja 1000 SX really shines. Its ergonomics are designed for long distance comfort with a more relaxed riding position, better wind protection and a cushier seat. In contrast, the ZX-10R is more focused on a sport-oriented riding position. It's designed for aggressive riding with a more forward-leaning stance and firmer seat. While it's fantastic or spirited riding, it might not be as comfortable for long journey. Price is an important factor too. The Ninja ZX-10R is generally priced higher due to its track-ready feature and advanced technology. It's an investment for those who are serious about their performance and track days. The Ninja 1000 SX is more affordable and offers great value for riders looking for a mix of performance and comfort. It's a versatile option that delivers a lot of features for its price point, making it a great choice for everyday use and touring. So, which bike is right for you? If you are all about track performance and high-speed thrills, the Ninja ZX-10R is your go-to machine. But if you are looking for a sporty yet comfortable ride that can handle long distances with ease, the Ninja 1000 SX is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comment which bikes you would choose and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.